Imagine a world where heavy-duty trucks roar down the highway, without leaving behind a trail of CO2 emissions. Today, Volvo Trucks is bringing us a step closer to that future with its hydrogen internal combustion engine trial trucks, set to begin customer trials in 2026. While the trucking world is buzzing about battery electric and hydrogen fuel cell trucks, Volvo's approach is different. They are taking the proven internal combustion engine platform and powering it with clean hydrogen fuel instead of diesel. Why? Because it combines the reliability and performance truckers trust with near-zero CO2 emissions at the tailpipe. So how does it work? In Volvo's Hydrogen ICE, hydrogen gas is injected and combusted inside the engine, much like diesel. However, the byproduct is mainly water vapor, drastically reducing carbon emissions while maintaining high torque and heavy haul capability essential for Class 8 trucks. Hydrogen ICE trucks offer longer ranges and faster refueling compared to many current battery electric trucks. With hydrogen refueling taking roughly the same time as diesel, it keeps trucks on the road, ensuring fleet operators maintain uptime while transitioning to cleaner operations. Volvo's Hydrogen ICE complements their battery electric and hydrogen fuel cell trucks. Fuel cells are ideal for some routes, while battery electric trucks excel in short haul. Hydrogen ICE trucks fill the gap for heavy-duty, long-haul transport, using existing manufacturing and maintenance expertise, making them easier to scale quickly during the industry's transition to zero emissions. In 2026, Volvo plans to launch customer trials of these hydrogen-powered ICE trucks across Europe and North America. They will operate under real-world conditions with selected fleet partners, collecting critical data on performance, fuel efficiency, hydrogen supply logistics, and driver feedback. These trials align with Volvo's target to achieve net zero greenhouse gas emissions by 2040, helping the world's logistics and freight networks reduce their carbon footprint without compromising performance. The Volvo Hydrogen ICE trial trucks represent a powerful new path for heavy-duty trucking, blending the old-school reliability of combustion engines with the promise of a cleaner tomorrow. As 2026 approaches, these trucks will redefine what's possible on our highways, proving that the road to zero emissions can still be loud, strong, and reliable. If you're excited to see these trucks in action, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our coverage as Volvo's hydrogen revolution hits the roads. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.